If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one.
The year's 94, my trunk is raw. In the rear view mirror is the motherfucking rock. I got two choices, y'all, pull over the car or bounce on the double, put the pedal to the floor. Now I ain't trying to see the highway chase with Jay. Plus I got a few dogs and a fight for the kick, so I pull over side of the road. I hear, son, you know what I'm stopping you for? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's real low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or should I get some more? Well, you was doing 50 and a 55-year license if registration. Step out of the car. If you carrying a weapon on you, I know you are. I ain't stepping out and shit. All my papers are legit. Don't mind if I look around the car a little bit. But my glove compartment is locked for the trunk, for the back. All I know is my rights. You're gonna need a warrant for that. Aren't you sharp as a tack? Are you some type of lawyer or something? Or somebody important or something? No, I ain't past the bar, but you know a little bit. Enough that I won't illegally search my shit. We'll see how smart you are when the canines come. I got 99 problems, but the bitch ain't one. Hit me. Now once upon a time, not long ago, a nigga like myself had a strong arm hoe. This is not a hoe, this is a sense of having a pussy. But a pussy having no goddamn sense, trying to push me. I try to ignore him, talk to the Lord, pray for him, cause a fool should love the form. You know, the type loud as a motorbike, but wouldn't bust a grape in a fucking fruit fight. The only thing that's good is I'm gonna happen, I'm gonna get clapping. He's in his boys, gonna yapping to the captain. And here I go, trapped in a kit car again. Back through the system with the riffraff again. Friends on the floor scratching again. Paparazzi with the camera snapping them. He tried to give me a nigga to shop again. $500,000 for bail cause I'm an African. All because of this fool, he's harassing him. Trying to play the board like he's sacrosanct. But I ain't nothing sweet, but I hold my gun. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. You crazy one, Rick. Yeah, boy.